What is your name?
My name is Hostalika.
What is your school name?
Dilip Primary School.
What is your father name?
Father name is Shivaraju.
What is your mother name?
Mother name is Shanta.
Now what you will say? Story? Say the story.
One day lion was sleep. One day lion was sleep, and the mouse jumped over his face and mocked him out. Angry lion kicked out the mouse. Mouse and Keely, I will be, let me go. I will be helpful to you. After some days, and the lion caught in the net. Boar, boar, loudly, and the mouse jumped over ear in the road, and to the lion cut the neck, dimpachin, let the lion free. Moral, everything is in an app, the non-value. Thank you.
Wow, super.